we're such workout, fitness inclined people that we think of a workout has to happen. Like I don't skip days unless I'm that tired or it's been an crazy, crazy day, right? But let's just, I think, take it a step back. For someone that working out every single day is not part of their routine, like I feel like we need to dumb it down a little bit now because we just took it to the extra level. What would you do if you just want to incorporate some movement and you've got the steps, right? Like, I mean, you always have steps when you are on event sites, but what else would you do if you needed to just incorporate some movement aside from all the 20,000 steps that you've done?
Yeah, I mean, do 100 burpees for time. That's all you gotta do.
Oh,
Like,
I
that's
hate those.
yeah, it's absolutely miserable, and it'll take you somewhere between 10 and 20 minutes. You'll be sweating like crazy.